Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we talked about water pressure. And I want to give a special thanks to everybody who showed up and participated in today's live stream. But as I was cleaning up, I noticed something particularly strange about our 2-liter bottle. I'm going to show you what it is. So, obviously, much of the water has drained out through our 3 holes that we punched in. And by we, I mean me. It's the royal we, apparently. Anyway, so I punched these holes in, but as I was cleaning it up, this happened to happen. Now, it struck me as odd because these holes are 100% punched in. Like, I didn't fill them, they're not covered, they still exist. So why is it that the water is not escaping through these holes? Well, I have a theory. My theory is, well, if I don't drop this first, my theory is that there's so much water sitting on them. The water's all connected. I know we don't think of it that way because it's liquid, but water is a bonded element. And so they've all bonded together, and the pressure it's exerting is more than can fit through these holes. Or because there's no way for air to get in, there's no way to replace the water that's coming out. And as we said earlier, nature doesn't like a vacuum. It doesn't like there to be empty space. So if water falls out of here, something has to come in order to replace it. In this case, it would be air. Considering air has no place to go in, has no chance of replacing it, our water has somehow, very interestingly, struck a balance where it's staying in the bottle even though gravity should be pulling it out. But if I tilt it and I expose this hole over here, now my water drains. Air's coming in right through here, and so the air's coming in and pushing our water out through the other holes. Just wanted to share that with you. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll come back tomorrow where my friend Joy is going to talk about kitchen chemistry, and I assume she's going to make some really cool things out of stuff you find in your cabinets. So that's exciting. That's our show for today. We hope to see you again tomorrow. Until then, have fun, be safe, and as always, stay curious.